Hello, Chef here with yet another review for you. I thought I would share some stuff that I really like and that I find useful. And these items are used in kitchens, home kitchens all across the world, especially Asian kitchens. They're really into this stuff here. What am I talking about? Talking about ceramic knives. So ceramic knives are not for everybody, but they do have a specific use and purpose. It's not for carving a turkey. However, for a boneless, skinless chicken breast or turkey breast, this little baby here is beautiful. You can slice really thin, you can dice, you can chop. It's perfect for chives, green onions, lettuce, carrots, onions, celery, garlic, all kinds of different things. It's not very breakable. People have the perception that ceramics are going to break real easy and all that, but that's not the case. So you can bend this knife about 15 to 30 or 40 degrees. It doesn't break. Material's got a slight flex to it. It's a very special zirconium, I believe they call it. It's a special ceramic that's fired under thousands of degrees of pressure and temperature, and it's really tough stuff. Also, you wouldn't know it by looking at this ergonomical, awesome handle. There's a bar of metal in here. Serves a few purposes. One of them is balance and weight. It's really weighted very nice. It's not heavy. The other purpose that bar of metal serves is that you can't go through a metal detector. So that keeps people a little safer, I guess. Yeah, that's a couple of points for you there. This, by the way, is the old version of the FK140 by Kyocera, and that is Kyocera right there, Kyocera Advanced Ceramics, made in Japan. So really high quality stuff. The old version, you can see this has been sharpened a few times, but man, what a difference. The knife has gotten a lot wider. So they've made it a little bit wider towards the heel, a little wider towards the middle and towards the tip as well. The handle's gotten a little bit bigger too over the years, a little chunkier for the better grip. So this knife's been used, I don't know, more than 15 years. This is like one of the early ones here. It's still going. You can send it in for sharpening at the factory, or you can use our little exclusive Chef Depot diamond file and rest. The knife goes in the rest like this, and the file goes right across the knife blade like this, and you turn it over. And when you turn it over, you just repeat the process with the diamonds right across the edge. It works. This baby works really good on any brand of ceramic knives. You can only get it at your sponsor, by the way. So just check out the sponsor right there and you'll be able to score one of these. Moving on, the ceramic knife's really nice. I like it. And these gift sets are really cool. So gift sets come in all different colors, and these are kind of an exclusive. You might find them somewhere else, you might not. I don't really know. What I do know is that our company helped them develop all these colors, and we've got purple and black and white and red and green and blue and yellow and all these different colors. So some of them are more popular. So right now we got these on sale, the orange, and the orange is really nice, and it's got this ceramic peeler, Y peeler it's called. Works really well. Some people like orange, especially if they're into the tropical stuff or they got a colorful kitchen. This makes a perfect gift. I highly suggest you consider this. Here, this is one of these mixed sets. Call it interracial if you like. We got like a salt and pepper combo going on here. Okay, we got blue handle ceramic knife and an orange peeler. If you request from the sponsor, they're willing to switch this. This could be red, white, and blue. This could be purple and black, or green and yellow, whatever you want. Visit the website. There's some deals on these right now. And then another thing here, that this ceramic slicer is really nice. These babies are razor sharp. I would only use this slicer with a stainless steel glove. You can get the glove at the sponsor right there. And the slicer is beautiful for radishes, for carrots, for sweet peppers, for red onions, garnishing salads, all kinds of stuff. This is another peeler. This one here is ergonomic. You can turn it and rotate it at whatever is comfortable for you. It's got rubber inlays there in the handles, really, really nice. And this is the 6-inch utility slicer, another sweet, sweet little tool. This is a 3-piece gift set, and this baby's on sale at the sponsor as well. So that's the review. Take it for what it is. Run with it. It's great information. It's great stuff. If you score one of these for your significant other, or your mom, or your dad, or your neighbor, or anybody that you like or want them to cook some food for you, get some better food and some better meals with these babies. They're non-reactive. They do not pick up flavors or odors or tastes. Even something like garlic. You smash garlic and chop it up with this. Just give it a rinse under some water. Wipe it off. There's no garlic. This baby's sweet. I really like it. It's been tested and tried through the years. It's still going. You combine that with the diamond sharpener we've got there at the sponsor, and wow, perfect gift, perfect set. Toss in the peeler, really nice. Get the salad slicer set, you're gonna love it. These are on sale at the sponsor. Check it out right there. Get cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button. Helps people find the videos. Thank you. Yeah, you gotta have that.